To divide one polynomial by the other, that is, if we are trying to divide P1 by P2, it is worthy to note that the degree of P1 must be greater than or equal to the degree of P2. So take for instance, you are trying to divide x cubed plus 3x squared minus x plus 1 by x minus 2. You would notice that the degree of the first polynomial is 3 and the degree of the second polynomial is 1. So to divide this, all we just have to do is to use the long division method. X to the power of 3 plus 3x squared minus x plus 1 on the inside and x minus 2 on the outside. So to divide, we take x to divide x to the power of 3. And then we multiply all through, and then we repeat the process. So this is what I'm saying. When you use
It's 14 hours.
Divided by x, you have x squared. So this gives x squared. Now from here, we have to multiply. We take x squared to multiply x, so this is x to the power of 3. And then we take x squared again to multiply negative 2. So you have negative 2x squared. And when you do that, you subtract. So 3x squared minus 2x squared is going to be 5x squared. Then we bring this down, minus x, then we break this down as well, plus 1. Now we take x again to divide 5x squared. This is going to be equal to 5x. So we have plus 5x. Now again, we take this to multiply this, and then we use that to multiply negative 2 as well. So this is going to be 5x squared minus 10x. You subtract again. So when you do that, 5x squared minus 5x squared gives 0, and negative x minus 10x is going to be 9x. And then 1 minus here, there seems to be no number, so we can fit 0 there. It's going to be plus 1. Lastly, x divide 9x 9 times. Then we take 9 to multiply x. Then we take the 9 to multiply negative 2. 9x minus 9x is 0, and then 1 minus 18 is going to be plus 19. Now at this point, we cannot continue with our division because the degree of what you are trying to divide, which is 19, is less than the degree of the divisor. Okay, so which means that your x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared minus x plus 1 can be written as x minus 2 multiplied by x squared plus 5x plus 9, then plus 19. So in general, your polynomial can be written as the divisor. This right here is the divisor, and here is what we refer to as the quotient, and here, which is the last guy, is the remainder. So which means that your polynomial is your divisor multiplied by the quotient plus the remainder. The idea behind this long division is just as simple as you're trying to divide 19 by 2. 2 divides 19 9 times. Then 9 times 2 is 18. Then you subtract, you have 1. So we can no longer continue with the division because 1 is less than 2. Thanks for watching.